In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use toggle blocks in Notion. If you've ever felt like your Notion pages are getting too long or cluttered, toggle blocks are a great way to keep information tidy while still making it easy to find. Think of them as expandable sections that let you hide details until you actually need them. Perfect for meeting notes, project briefs, FAQs, or study guides. Start by opening the Notion page, where you want to add a toggle block. Once you're in, click inside the main content area so your cursor is active on the page. This tells Notion exactly where you want to add the new element. Now type /, then the word toggle. You'll see a menu pop up with matching options. Choose Toggle List from that dropdown. This instantly adds a new toggle block to your page and places your cursor in it, ready for a title. Give your toggle a clear title or short heading. Aim for something that describes what's inside, like Overview, Resources, or Action Items. Clear titles make scanning a long page much easier later on. When you're happy with the title, press Enter. You've just created an expandable toggle block. Next, add the content you want to hide inside that section. If you already have content on the page, you can drag it underneath the toggle heading to nest it. Hover over the block you want to move, grab the drag handle, and pull it just under the toggle until you see it indent. Release. And it's now part of that toggle section. This works for text, images, checklists, databases, and more, so you can keep related pieces together. To see it in action, click the small arrow next to your toggle heading to collapse the content. This tucks everything away, making the page cleaner and easier to scan. Click the arrow again to expand it and bring the hidden information back into view. You can toggle as often as you like while working, which is great for focusing on one area at a time. Finally, don't hesitate to use multiple toggle blocks to organize long pages. Break your page into logical sections with clear, descriptive headings. This creates a simple table of contents feel without adding extra navigation, and it helps collaborators quickly find what they need without scrolling forever. That's it. With a few simple actions, you can turn a crowded page into a smooth, structured workspace that's easier to read, easier to maintain, and more enjoyable to use.